Union is strength. Once upon a time, in a lush green valley surrounded by towering mountains, there stood a small village named Harmony. The villagers were known for their kind hearts, but they had one glaring weakness. They often quarreled among themselves over petty issues. Despite their fertile lands and abundant resources, the village struggled to thrive because of their disunity. In the same valley lived an old, wise man named Elder Rowan. He had witnessed the village's struggles for decades and longed to teach them the importance of unity. One day, he decided it was time to act. Elder Rowan summoned all the villagers to the village square. He carried with him a bundle of sticks tied tightly together with a strong rope. Curious and slightly skeptical, the villagers gathered around. "Today, I have a simple challenge for you," Elder Rowan announced, holding up the bundle of sticks. "Whoever can break this bundle shall receive a reward of golden coins." The villagers, eager to win the prize, lined up to take turns. One by one, the strongest men and women of the village tried to break the bundle. They twisted, turned, and used all their might, but the sticks would not budge. After much effort, they gave up, panting and frustrated. Elder Rowan then untied the bundle and handed a single stick to each villager. "Now break your stick," he said. Puzzled, the villagers snapped their sticks easily, one after another. Elder Rowan smiled and said, "Do you see? Alone, each stick is weak and easily broken, but together they are unbreakable. The same goes for all of you. If you remain divided, you will always struggle. But if you stand united, there is no challenge you cannot overcome." The villagers fell silent as the truth of Elder Rowan's words sank in. They realized how their constant arguments and lack of cooperation had held them back. From that day forward, they decided to work together as a community. When the harvest season arrived, the villagers united to plow the fields, plant the seeds, and irrigate the crops. They shared tools, ideas, and labor, transforming their barren lands into lush, golden fields of grain. Together, they built stronger homes, repaired the village well, and even organized a festival to celebrate their newfound unity. Harmony flourished like never before. The villagers learned that when they stood together, they were a force to be reckoned with, just like the bundle of sticks. And so, the lesson of union is strength became a cornerstone of their lives, passed down to generations as a reminder of the power of working together. And they lived happily, united, and prosperous ever after.